Hey guys, welcome back to Praise Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. Today I'm going to be giving you a room tour of room 548 in the Margaritaville Resort over here at Jacksonville Beach. I'm currently in the bed getting ready to wind down for the night, but I'm going to put you in reverse and give you a quiet walkthrough of the room from earlier today when I checked in. And then I'm going to show you how I set up my craft space for this particular weekend, what I'm going to be working on, and how I set up my area for diamond painting at the beach. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you've stayed here over at the Margaritaville Resort in Jacksonville Beach, Florida. I do like it. It's a beautiful hotel. I love the room, but I hate the views. I kind of hate how this hotel is situated, and I would definitely knock it some stars for how it's situated. So instead of giving it a 10, I would probably knock it to even a 7 for how it's situated, just because every balcony seems to be looking at someone else or something else other than just the water. I have just a partial ocean view, but even the other balconies, like, there's no privacy. So overall, I would probably give it a 7 just for how it's situated. I don't know if full-on ocean view rooms look different from mine, so let me know if you've experienced something different, but I wouldn't recommend this particular one if you want better ocean views. But the hotel, the resort, the restaurant, the food, everything has been great. I'm probably going to do a resort walk around video in a separate video, so stay tuned for that. And let's get into the room tour. It's going to be a quiet room tour. I'll probably just add some music behind it. And then I'll show you how I set up my crafting space for diamond painting at the beach. Thanks for watching. Y'all, there's no privacy with this particular room with the partial ocean view, so I would highly not recommend a partial ocean view room when booking Margaritaville. It's just it's a no. I definitely won't be sitting out, and probably won't even be keeping my curtain open. I'm gonna have to go walk out on the beach, which, you know, is the point. That's fine. But yeah, this is a partial view, and everybody looking at everybody, honey. Parking lot, restaurant. I can see the other balcony, even though that one's a full balcony, a full ocean view. Me and them could look right at each other, and the top one, y'all. So Margaritaville is no privacy, boo-boo. You gonna be seen. Don't be trying to get sneaky on your balconies, because you will be seen on this one. But it's a gorgeous hotel and a gorgeous room. Gorgeous room. Okay guys, so the craft setup is basically here. I've got my Paint Gym diamond painting kit out. Stay tuned for a separate video of me doing that if I get time to do it because it's so gorgeous out here at the beach. And so I have this long table that I'm using for my craft space. The hotel provided, already came with that blue mat there. So I'm gonna use that as my craft mat because it's a really good size. It's leather, but I think it's gonna work great. And I have my paint gym. I've already pre-kitted up my drills. I have my favorite stylus, plus all the tools that the gym kit came with. And I'll go over that in a separate video. But this is where I'll be crafting. That's my chair right there. It's a pretty comfortable chair. And I'll probably get me something good to drink over here at the bar that I've got going on. I didn't bring my adult beverages with me this time. I didn't bring my little splash of something good, but I do have my favorite soda and tea. So this is the craft space, and this is where I will be crafting. I do not have a view to the ocean. Most of the tables in these hotels don't have ocean, like they don't face out to the ocean, which is a little bit problematic, but the window is like to the side of me so I can open it and have the light coming in. But it sucks that the desks don't actually face the windows, but that's okay. But I will be going out today, so I'm not sure if we're gonna get to this. But here's the craft space setup, and it's always so easy to set up crafting in these hotels. Like, some hotels have multiple long tables. It's just a crafter's dream table, really. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of this room and this space. And let me know if you'll be making a trip to Jacksonville, Florida anytime soon. And let me know if you would consider staying at this hotel. But I would definitely recommend to get a full-on ocean view, not just a partial ocean view. I appreciate you guys. If you made it to the end of the video, go ahead and put some sunshine in the comments. Go ahead and put some sunshine icons in the comments. See you later.